Okay, so I'm doing another chew video. I didn't actually do any content yesterday, and it got late, and my buddy's birthday is today, and he is claiming that he's 49 and he's a year older than me, and I'm gonna be 50. So, men in their ages. Uh, Ironically enough, the only age I had a problem with was 30 so far, but 50's coming up, so who knows? Maybe I'll have a problem with it. Anyways, there's another sneeze video, but this is the interesting part: is I've actually been contacted by a couple fetishists. As it turns out, to your average layman, there are sneeze fetishists, and there's a sneeze fetish site. And I've had a couple people contact me, and I actually had a request to use a white tissue, and I said paper towel, tissue, napkin. And they were like, whatever. And then I got contacted by somebody else just thanking me because I don't have an issue with the fetish aspect of it. And to me, with anything, unless it's completely hurting somebody else, I don't have a problem with it. And then if it's I don't know, like visually hard to watch or something, that to me isn't visually. I just thought it was interesting because I never knew that there was a fetish aspect to it, but it makes sense. And then I was recommended to use this stuff called Chinook or something like that. That basically is a mixture of herbs that you sniff, and then it gets you to sneeze. Because after the last one, I had bad sinus. It felt like I had allergies that night, but I forgot to use my eucalyptus oil to so I'm just using a regular cotton Q-tip and got nothing on it, seeing if I can get myself to sneeze that way, and then without using anything. So but I don't know if that's going to do it, because it seems like it's the powder that gets me to sneeze. So but it might. Who knows? I'm also wondering too if, because I thought my best of video would have a heck of a lot more views off of it, just because of the take of the first couple. But I might be miscategorized too. I put it in entertainment after going back and forth a few times with like 4 videos. But it might be better to be like in people in blogs, or a different category. But anyways, I thought that would be the case with it, and it's not. I think because people enjoy seeing me do the aspect of trying to get the sneezes to go, but that's pure speculation. I haven't had anybody comment on it yet, and I'm not getting any sneeze off of this. So I might have to try to do it again, where it's just weird. I thought for sure. Hey. They're just coming. I might just have to go further in or something. That's what it is. But I'll tell you for sure, I cannot do it with the cayenne pepper too much more, because just killer on the sinuses. So I'm not getting one. I just find this interesting. And I also mentioned to her I'm actually kind of irked at the forum that I tried to go in and register with, and not so much that, like, if I had gone and registered and then posted some mean-spirited or heavy posting, I would understand getting like locked out or whatnot. But I didn't even get a chance to, and I don't know exactly why. But what I gather or get a feeling is they're probably, just by the reaction of certain people, that they're leery of newbies coming in because A, it's like a gawker, and B, it's probably they've had a few people that think it's probably runs the gamut of being called things. So, like I said, I don't have a problem with it, but other people might, or might just come in and judge, and they just don't even want it to get to that point. So, I was just looking for a place to post my videos. But also, I was like reading some of the forum topics and stuff. Some of it's really interesting to me. I always find, because I studied psychology. Psychology was my first choice in college, and then I went to speech comm and then to theater, which just shows my laziness. But it's interesting to me. Like, I have an uncle that's upper middle management, or used to be. He's retired now. But I could talk about his job, and it would be interesting. But him telling me about making fishing lures and his excitement when he told me, we were in the garage, I didn't give a shit about the fishing lures, so to speak, but his excitement was what drew me in. And that's kind of the aspect of most things. When somebody has some sort of excitement that is not on the beaten path, which this kind of really isn't, that intrigues me. It really does, in a lot of different ways. So it's one of those things that I'm intrigued by this, but I just wish I could get something to sneeze. Okay, this isn't happening on this. My sinuses are moist too, by the way. I don't know if that matters to you guys. But I did bring a white tissue and was gonna do it, so it doesn't look like it's gonna go. So I'm at like 6 minutes of non-sneeze radio. And I don't even really have a topic today. I mean, I had some stuff that I was ruminating on yesterday, but I've been watching a lot of heckler videos from this guy Steve Hofstetter, stand-up comedian that basically kind of has a forte of getting hecklers and then just breaking them down on stage. So yeah, there you go. I'm not getting any sneezes, so. It doesn't work for me, I guess, just with a regular. Killing my sinuses. I don't know if this is art, but killing my sinuses for topic. What we do for YouTube topics. Maybe I'm not going deep enough into my sinuses. Maybe I need to get one of those long sinus Q-tips. Okay, I'm going to try it again with, I got like 30 seconds to get over the hump here for 10 minutes, but I'm going to try it again with cayenne and then get my eucalyptus oil so I can be breathing later on. But this was my valiant attempt with just a Q-tip and to try to sneeze without any prompting with stuff. Again, I'll try that, what I was recommended with the Chukut or whatever it was. I'll try that later on, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it. So anyways, it's over 10 minutes, and I'm going to try another video behind this and using cayenne again. So anyways, cheers and happy Wednesday.